Hello everyone, today we are going to show you how to instantly alert parents during a school emergency. To get things started, log into your DialMyCalls account and you will see your dashboard. For emergency situations, we recommend having your messages already created as templates so you can send them out as fast as possible. Click on Broadcast and then New Broadcast. For school emergencies, you should select phone call, text message, and email so that you can reach everyone with your important message. Click on Next to continue. Select the contacts you want to receive this emergency alert. Click on Groups and select the contact groups related to your school. Once selected, click on Next to continue. From the drop-down menu, select the phone number that will be used as the caller ID for the phone call portion of this emergency alert. Click Next to continue. Select the recording you want to send out as a phone call and then click on Next. For the text message, select your approved vanity number from the drop-down menu and then select your emergency alert template and click Next to continue. The email broadcast is a free option when you send a call or text message, so this will auto-populate with the text message you are sending. Click Next to continue. On the next step, you can name your broadcast so it's easy to view the reports once they have been sent out. Click Next to continue. View the details of your school emergency alert to ensure all of the information is accurate, and once confirmed, click Confirm and Send, and then click Yes. You will now be shown the broadcast confirmation and your school emergency alert has now been sent out. Go back to your dashboard and then to view the reports for the call, text, and email you just sent out, click on Broadcast and then Broadcast Reports. Find the name of your broadcast and then click Call, Text, or Email to view the detailed report for the school emergency alert you sent to your faculty, students, and parents. Once you've clicked on the text message report, you will see every single emergency alert that was sent as well as the status for each. Ensure everyone received your message by going through the report. If someone did not receive the text, then check out the call and email report to ensure they received one of those messages. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086, our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.